welcome back to my channel. What the hell? Okay, welcome back to my channel. My face is wet. And I'll be back when my face is done. So, bye. Okay. My phone is just like, no. Okay. So, I'm done. I don't got no edges on me. So I'm gonna show you how to do my edges, and I'm gonna do a turban. So you're gonna need edge control, obviously. A dirty toothbrush that you don't use. I have like 4 of them. I don't know, but I'm using this one because it doesn't have a lot of like hair. So then I'm gonna use a brush. You're gonna need a wig cap. I use a wig cap. If you have a lot of hair, you're gonna need a wig cap. Or you could put like some braids or something. I'm not doing braids because I don't know how to do that. So, and a scarf. Okay. What are we gonna do first? We're gonna do the edges first. Should we do the edges? Okay, so we're gonna do the edges first. Damn! Oh, sorry. And I forgot some water. This is just water with, what you call it? This is just water with conditioner. If I even use the water, I think I might, because I always put water on my edges before, yeah. If I'm looking over here, it's because the mirror is right here, so. Yeah. Okay. Read the mail. No. This is already going horrible. It's cool though. It's going horrible, but shit, I'm alive, right? I'm gonna put on my glasses because like I'm blind. Alright, so now that we're out the awkward phase, it's only right that I tell you what to do, because yeah, I wasn't gonna record a voiceover, but I don't really have a choice. So alright, so what I'm doing, I'm just sculpting the edges before I put on the edge wax or the beeswax or the edge control. I'm just sculpting it. What I'm doing, this is all I have on my hair right now. The only product that I have in my hair is water and conditioner mixed together. So yeah, I'm just sculpting it, and this is like a technique everyone says. If you was to watch everyone's edges tutorial, whatever, they're all gonna say they swoop. This is what swooping is. You just take the hair and you use your finger to hold it in place, and then you swoop it. That's what I do. Now, people do various different styles. They like to swiggle it. They like to do like someone that's like it looks like finger waves. It looks pretty, but I don't do like that. I keep mine simple. I also notice people use rat tail combs, the back of a rat tail comb, or the point. I don't do that, because I feel like if I was to do that, it would come out really weird. Now, what I'm using now, I'm using the beeswax, you see. And let me tell y'all something. This is the last time I used beeswax on my edges. I swear it was the last time, because honestly, the look was okay, but it did not come out the way I usually do it. And maybe because my hair is blow dry and all that, but yeah, it was just a disappointment after that. Alright, so my cupid's bow, I have this technique that I do. So I take a small like strand from the cupid's bow, and then I connect it to one side of my edges. if that makes sense. Like, you see what I'm doing? Like, I'm connecting it, like brushing it, blending it, and then it comes out really cute. I find it's really cute. Like, it's not so, you know, just bland and like simple, but it adds like a twist. Then I'm doing my sideburns. I don't know, I feel like this kind of somewhat completes it, because like, as you can see, my hair is nappy as fuck, but this kind of brings the whole, you know, hair together, makes it look nice. So yeah. So like I previously told y'all, the beeswax for me wasn't enough hold, so I went back in with my edge control, and I don't want to repeat the process. So basically what I'm just doing, I put it over the edges and then I'm brushing it over again, swooping it, brushing it, blending it in, making it look presentable. Not perfect, but presentable. You get the gist. Okay, so now now I'm gonna pull my hair back just to like that. Weird, but I'm gonna use a wig cap. And now what I'm doing, I'm just misting the hair a little bit so that when I brush it with the bristle brush, I'm not ripping my hair out, because I'm about to do a ponytail and I barely have hair for this, but we're gonna make it work.
Really, nigga?
All right, now we're putting on the wig cap. Now I put the wig cap very, very specific. I put the band right behind my edges because I don't want to mess up the edges. Okay, now that this is done, we're gonna get the scarf. Now there's different ways you can put the scarf. You can put the scarf like this and then wrap it around the back. You can put it the way I put it, which is like, you know, up front. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it up front, because that's just the way I do it. Alright, so my scarf has fringes, and I don't use the fringes part. I use the part that's like straight, and then I put it to the back of my head, and then I get the point so that I make sure it's even, and then I just start twisting up, and I twist and I twist. I'm about to show you guys how I twist. I twist and I twist, and then when I'm done twisting, I twist it upon itself so that I get a really big bun. And that's the look, you motherfudgers. Thank you for watching this video. Personally, I think I did really well for my second video, but please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.